froze up. Good morning, everybody. Another brisk January morning. I don't even think it's 20 degrees yet. It's supposed to get up to a high of about 20, 23 maybe at the most. Looks like a beautiful day otherwise. Just a bit nippy. Let's go have some fun. Alrighty, so today we are at the Cheslin Preserve in Chester County. This is another preserve that is part of the natural land. It's showing us right here at the parking lot. There's a yellow trail or a yellow loop. I'm actually going to follow the yellow trail all the way down, past the yellow trail and down probably closer to this white trail. Basically, I want to get down to the this creek down here, and then hike along the creek, and then possibly come back up the yellow trail, or who knows? I'm gonna just kind of wing it today. So, like I said, we're gonna just follow this section of the yellow trail, which turns into a gray or white trail. But basically, follow this down to the creek and then hike along the creek. Once again, good morning, everybody. As I was saying earlier, it's another beautiful January morning. The snow-covered preserve. It's quite the winter landscape. It is actually beautiful. A little snow blind right now. The sun is not only shining right on me, but it's also glaring off of all the snow. And it's kind of blinding me a bit. All right, we're coming up to the first little junction. The yellow trail goes to the left, but I'm going to continue going straight on what looks like it's the gray trail. Take us down into the woods. Oh, that's a nice sycamore tree over to my left. Possibly a white-throated sparrow flying around over here. I'll have to look at the footage later on to figure out exactly what they were. I can't see anything on the screens because of the sun. Whoa. I was waiting to fall down that hill. Gonna head over to the left. To the right. Heading down to the creek on the right. There's a bunch of blue jays out there. All right, we're gonna head back onto the trail. Try to connect back up with the creek further down. Make our way back out to the main trail. You got birds that are feeding right on that bush right there, but there's a woodpecker in one of these trees. There's a woodpecker somewhere over here. There he is. More blue jays as we walk underneath these large sycamores. Okay, continuing along the gray trail. Okay, we met back up with the creek. Creek is down there. See if we can find a way down there. Most of it was frozen, I couldn't even hear it. Some nice rock outcroppings. All right, another trail junction. See if this takes us down to the creek. Let's try to make it down here without falling. All right, might as well cross the bridge while we're here. I'm gonna see if I can make my way over to the creek. Looks like some other animal had the same idea. And there's another tributary up here. Yeah, it's frozen. Kind of like me. A little frozen. Nice patterns in the ice. The frozen ice. Pretty cool. Take a little break. For the battery to charge up in the other camera. See if that helps it. It keeps locking up and telling me it's too cold. And in the meantime, I'm going to have a coffee break. Cheers. Camera seems to be working. There's a nice little culvert. It's pretty cool, nice stonework. Got a little bit of water trickling through. I think this will be much sunnier than going back through the wooded areas. The cold is having an effect on my fingers and my toes. Starting to get a little numb. Much like the camera, I'm gonna have difficulties functioning soon. Alright, making our way up here. Another very large sycamore. Almost got 4 trunks. Not sure which way the trail goes. There's blazes on both trees. I think that the right goes around the whole outside. Not today. This way, I think. Okay, up into the woods. Let me catch my breath. Steep inclines are one thing. Steep inclines in 5-6 inches of snow. Man, that's a game changer. There's a whole bunch of juncos out there in the field. A whole bunch of them out there. Alright, we're continuing to follow the yellow trail here. It loops around. Just trying to get some video of the juncos in my tripod. Actually froze up. Couldn't get the camera attached. Looks like we're gonna come out to the sun. Unfortunately, the wind has picked up dramatically. And now we got a wind chill to deal with. Nice bench. A little too cold to sit and enjoy the view. But here's a shot of the view. Rolling hills. I didn't think it was possible, but the snow has gotten deeper. Oh, sorry, Mr. Junko. Didn't see you there. I feel like I'm crossing the Arctic tundra. Wow. So snow goes from being about 4 or 5 inches deep to 7, 8, 9 inches deep. At least it's not mud. I have no idea if this I can speak. My mouth is frozen though. I was going to say, I'm not sure if this is the trail. I'm just following these random footprints. Another view from here on the ridge. Figured I'd get the shot before the wind kicks up again. I feel like that sycamore is a pretty cool tree. Alrighty, that's going to wrap it up for today. Parking lot's right up ahead. Thanks for joining me here at Cheslin Nature Preserve, part of the Natural Lands Preserves. Really nice day, but it is pretty damn cold. I am very numb, so looking forward to getting into a car and get it warmed up. I might finish the rest of my coffee. It might be iced coffee by now, unfortunately. Anyway, thanks again for joining me here in Chester County on this snowy winterscape. And I will catch everybody at the next video. Peace. Have a great day, everybody.